Ooh, there's one following it. Nice. Ooh. Dang, man. Heck yeah. You really hit that thing, man. You really hit that thing. All right, bud. Come on now. All right, first fish on that swim bait. Feeling good. Feeling good about that one. See you later, buddy. Thank you, Jesus. Nice. Another pike, really. Well, we'll take them. These pike really strike. I tell you what. Don't shake, bud. Don't shake now. There we go. Come on. There we go. There. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Oh gosh, I'm sorry, bud. All right. I've done enough to you. Good luck out there. Oh, funny. We got a biter, huh? All these pike today, huh? I don't even think. Oh, dang! He had a big old scar. I should have netted him. I was playing around. Dang! That was crazy. He had a huge bite taken out of him at a young age or something. Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy. Needing you. All right. I'm a jerk bait. Oh boy. On the jerk bait, bud. I like that. I like that. Come on. There we go. No. So I've caught 2 pike on the swim bait, and I've caught 2 bass on the jerk bait, even though one of them was off camera. You're gonna have to take my word for it. So I think the pike are down deep, and I think the bass are kind of suspended. No surprise there. Ooh. Another bass. Another bass. Oh, he's gonna get off. He's going to get off. No monsters today. Might have to change it up. I think if you want the monsters, you gotta use the jig, huh, bass? Come on. Come here. Come here, big buddy. Oh my goodness. There. You can't handle the water. Yeah. Yeah. All right. Ooh. Oh, here we go. What's his deal with you, bud? There we go. There. Ooh. These dang treble hooks get you guys every time. Every time. Yeah. These bigger ones just gotta be in deeper. They just... Don't ya? Oh man. Ooh, there's one following it. Nice. That was sick. I got that all on camera. I hope you could see it without the polarized glasses. Wow. He was stalking that thing. Oh, he came off the hook too. I wasn't messing around this time, huh, Mr. Pike? Wow. That was so cool. Easy. Wow. So much easier to do without a fish in it. Alright. Alright, you win, sir. You win. We'll do you first. Yeah, how cool was that? Alright. Alright. We'll get you on your way. Oh. Thanks for that action, buddy. Wow. Ooh, nice. Are you serious? Are you serious? You are the best Sonny ever. I think there's no doubt about that. Oh, what? What? That's a first. That is a first. Oh, sorry, bud. Dang it. Playing around too much, huh? That's what I get. That's what I get. Alright. Alright, buddy. See you later. Funny. Ooh, right off the bat. Yes. Ooh, nicer bass. This might be the catch of the day. Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy. Yeah. You might be the catch of the day. So far, right? Oh, there we go. One more, bud. One more. Sorry. Oh my gosh. Sorry, buddy. Sorry. It's those dang treble hooks. Oh yeah. You are a beauty. Healthy fish too. All right. Thanks for the fun, sir. Does it get any better than this? I doubt it. There we go. Oh, not the big one we were hoping for, but we'll take you, huh? You got hooked weird too. There. Gosh, I'm fumbling you guys today. I'm sorry. What's this all about, buddy? Did you get castrated? Neutered fish? Huh. You seem alright to me there, bud. Oh, good luck out there. The hunt continues. You're looking for the big one. Another pike. You pike. I tell you what. There. Ooh. Nice bass, nice. I got you, buddy. I got you. That is a fish on every rod I brought. Oh my goodness. Dude. There we go. Sorry about that, buddy. You got messed up. You got messed up a few times. Look at that. See, I did that, which I'm very sorry about. I don't do that. Oh. Well, you seem to be eating just fine, sir. Good job. And good luck out there. Another pike, huh? Oof. All right, bud. What are we working with here? Oops. Come on. Bruh. You're not even hooked. There you go. Jeez, these pike are weird. Usually fish are pumped to get the hook out. Not this guy. Dang it. Sorry, bud. It's just the theme of the day. Alright. Have fun, sir. Hey guys, thanks for coming along with me. That was my second year at that lake. It's a church camping trip we do every year. I usually get away for a while, long enough to fish, but I just want to tell you about how God is always speaking to us, or rather, the evidence of Him, and that we are His creation, and that this world is His creation, is all around us. You know, you look at beauty, how everything perfectly fits together, the natural beauty of the world, of all the creatures of the earth. It's anything but chance. It's the most precise thing I've ever seen in my life, and I think if you really spend time outdoors, out of heavy civilization, and just go really truly observe nature, yes, but become immersed in it, become a part of it. And if you do that, I know you'll see what I'm talking about. But thanks for coming along, and until next time.